Hi, to set up Face ID on your iPhone 16e, just go in Phone Settings. Now start scrolling down to find tab Face ID and Passcode. So, if you try to set up Face ID by tapping this option, you will need to create passcode as well. So here you'll see this information how to set up Face ID. As you can see, we need to position face in the camera frame and then move head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. So I'm going to try to do this by tapping Get Started and position face within the frame. Make iPhone a little lower and move head slowly to complete the circle. And now scan is complete, so we can also use it with a mask, but let's click setup later. And now Face ID is set up, but as you can see, as I said before, we need to set passcode as well. You can click on its options and set something else, for example, 4-digit numeric code. And I'm gonna click use anyway, then re-enter it. Now it will set our new passcode. So you need to verify by answering Apple account password. Let me just do it really quickly off the stage and tap done. So if you want to, you can set up an alternative appearance, also Face ID with a mask, and don't forget to enable for what you want to use it. I enabled all of the options, so for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, contactless payments, and password autofill. Here you can reset your Face ID if something went wrong. You can also enable to require attention for Face ID, require aware features, and enable stolen device protection. And now let's test it. I'm gonna try to unlock my phone with the help of Face ID. And yep, it's working. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.